Aww. You like your water? Is that water? Can you say water? Oh, you just gonna drink it?
It's baby.
Yeah. Is that baby Elmo? Give Elmo kisses. Oh, so sweet. Is that your water? Yeah, water. That's right. You ready to go see Gran?
No.
Yeah, you gonna go bye-bye?
No.
No?
Elmo.
Yeah, Elmo's gonna go with you? Yeah. Yeah.
Is it white?
Yeah, that's your water. You like your water?
Elmo.
Yeah. Does Elmo like water?
No.
Oh, that's his nose? Yeah, and his eyes? Where's his mouth?
No.
Nose? Where's Elmo's mouth?
Mouth.
Yes, mouth. That's Kalila's mouth. Where's Elmo's?
Joey.
Oh, his toes?
The bubble.
Yeah, Mumble's back there. Mouth.
Should I?
Yeah. Can you blow kisses? Go mwah! What did it do? Yeah. Oh. You like that? Yeah, does it go in a circle? You are too cute, baby girl. Yeah. Yeah, you've got on a shoe. Yeah. Don't hit the camera. Give kisses. Oh, so sweet. Oh, so sweet. Give mommy kisses. Mwah, thank you. What did he do? No hitting. Oh, you got